This teaches us something uncomfortable, mga classmates. We often trust the wrong things. We trust what looks strong. Money, possessions, influence, systems, or even religious traditions. But Jesus is reminding us, everything built by human hands can collapse. The question is, mga classmates, when the structures around us fall, what remains is standing in our hearts? Think of today's headlines, mga classmates. Global economies shaking. Governments unstable. Technology causing both convenience, fear, and chaos. We often build our lives on things that look sure, quote and unquote. But Jesus gently warns us, don't anchor your life on what can fall. Instead, anchor yourself on the one who never changes. Jesus wasn't trying to scare the disciples. He was trying to shift their foundation. They admired the stones. He invited them to build on truth. They marveled at walls. He called them to build faith. They trusted outward glory. He wanted inward strength. Mga classmates, what always amazes me, considering the Bible was written thousands of years ago, the conditions and situations may be different, but the principles of what we need to apply today in our current conditions and situations are the same as before in order to save our very soul from eternal perish. That no matter what we build, we create, we possess, and own, we will never be able to bring them with us when we die. So whatever we think is a surefire in this life is just an illusion, for we can only have all of this while we are alive and allowed to be so.